Now take a look at immediate addressing in assembly. Okay, addressing mode in assembly. Okay, so an immediate operand has a constant value or an expression, and when an instruction with two operands uses immediate addressing, the first operand may be a register or a memory location, and the second operand is an immediate constant. Okay, so the first operand defines the length of the data. Okay, so for instance, if we have, let's use uppercases. If we have that one, the byte value, and then we can have db. Okay, db, let's use uppercases, db, and then we can have like 150, like that. Okay, so here a byte value is defined. Okay, as you can see here, a byte value is defined. Okay, it's defined byte value. Okay, so db means this one is a byte value. Okay, which is defined. Okay, so from there, let us have okay, so let us have a word value. So to define a word value, we can use dw for word, w for word, and then we can use 300. Okay, so here a word value is defined. Okay, so from there we can have add a byte value, byte underscore value. Want to add a byte underscore value, let's add 65 to the byte underscore value. Okay, so here an immediate operand 65 is added. Okay, it's added. So from there, what if we had move x, and then move for let's like 45 h, like that. Let's use uppercases, h, 45 h. Okay, so here immediate constant 45h is transferred to ax. Okay, right here, as you can see when we use the move instruction. Okay, so I think you get the concept. Okay, so in the next part we shall take a look at direct memory addressing. Okay.